Hi everyone, in this video, White is doing an impossible checkmate in 2 moves. If you want to solve it, you can pause the video and then I'll show the answer. Alright, so in this position, the hard part is to do the checkmate in 2 moves, right? Obviously White is winning, all they have to do is kind of like a ladder checkmate. But in order to do that in 2 moves, you actually have to do something interesting. If we try to use any rook to check the king, it doesn't work since the rook on d7 is hanging. You can come to c7, but after king goes somewhere like here, we don't have a checkmate in the next turn. So here's the answer. We're actually going to do a long castle, which is something that I didn't think of originally and took me maybe like half a minute to find. But after you do this, you are preparing to move the rook to d8 and there's no escape. If they move the king, checkmate. If they move any pawn, you still do the same move and checkmate. This was quite sneaky. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.